Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera from me. Today, I will share to you guys about my final year project that I had completed successfully under the supervision of my extraordinary experienced supervisor, Brigadier General Professor IR Dr. Nur Azman, alongside the helpful hand of my brilliant co-supervisor, which is Dr. Nur Aina Misno. The title of my final year project is Road to Bakelalan, Challenges in Project Management and Implementation. So basically, my final year project is about the challenges and implementation of project management, specifically in road construction that was held in remote area which is in Bakelalan, Sarawak. The project involved was the development, repairing and maintenance of the road which will connect the village to nearby town. This will help ease the transportation as well as will increase the productivity of people living in the area. The location of this project was very far from urban area and surely different type of challenges and implementation will be encountered during the execution of the project. With this project, I believe that it will be very beneficial in terms of project management experience as well as in giving new knowledge that can be useful to many people, especially in engineering field in the future. So the problem statement for my FYP is that project management in remote area is something that need to be focused on as different challenges and implementation will be faced in many factors compared to those projects in urban area. Both these challenges and implementations need to be analyzed and identified so that we can gain knowledge about the project management process in remote area. The objective of my study is to identify challenges for development of project in remote area and to determine the methods of keeping the project on track until the completion of the project. This is the methodology of my research. I started it with literature review until the generation of research hypothesis. Next, I move into the interview session and the data collection. And after that, I started to make the data analysis and interpretation of my collected data. Finally, after that, I started to generating my result into thesis. So here are the results from my interview sessions with engineers involved for the project. The first challenges come from geographical condition, which is mountainous forest with dangerous risky cliff. The second challenges is the weather of the location, which was unfortunately hit hard by a rainy season that forced to slow down the project. The road condition after rain was bad and transportation cannot enter the project location. With the condition of road that was horrible and awful, the cost of material and other sources rise higher. Besides, the muddy terrain also forced the engine and machinery to walk over the limit until they were broken and delayed the work progress. Other challenges faced is that there are no telecommunication signals as it is in dense forest. All the staff only use radio channel to communicate with each other. Last but not least, challenges also come from villages as the construction site is a native customary red land. The implementation that was executed for the project is that they installed the Compact 200 bridge. They installed this bridge first to ease the transportation to enter the project location. Secondly, they also bring in two mobile quarry that is mounted on top of two trailers. This is to produce aggregate chipping for the project usage. Next, they also use soil stabilizer and sealant as these are very suitable to be applied to the current road condition. For sewerage system, they used HDPE culverts and pipes as they are lighter and easy to handle. They also held meetings, events with the villagers to solve the NCR issues. They give compensation to the family affected by the project. Besides, they also hire a local man from the next village to ease their negotiation and communication with the villagers. Finally, they hire the people in the village as extra workers to make sure the villagers can gain some benefits in terms of their economy. The challenges and implementation of project management in rural remote area was totally different compared to those in urban area. Critical thinking, skills, and creativity were very important in this kind of project. This project can be very beneficial as reference in the future to future engineers. That's all for today. Thank you for lending me your ears and have a nice day.